When you talk to ChatGPT, it's not thinking, it's predicting. And the moment you understand the difference, you understand AI. 3 letters explain everything. LLM, Large Language Model. Here's what each word actually means. Start with large. This refers to scale. An LLM is trained on enormous amounts of text, billions of words. Books, websites, articles, conversations, Wikipedia, much of the open internet. The model reads all of it, looking for patterns. Not memorizing, patterns. Which words tend to follow which other words? Which phrases cluster around which topics? The large is how much text it consumed during training. The more it saw, the more patterns it captured. Now, language model. A model here is a system that learned a probability map. Given some words, what's most likely to come next? That's all it's doing.
When you ask ChatGPT, what's the capital of France, it doesn't look up an answer. It generates one, token by token, word by word, based on what tends to follow that question in its training data. It's seen capital of France, followed by Paris, thousands of times. So Paris is statistically the most likely next word. That's the entire mechanism. No lookup, no reasoning in the way we mean it. Just very, very good pattern completion. Here's what most explainers miss. The model doesn't know facts. It has no separate database of true things. Everything it outputs is generated fresh, based on patterns, which is why it sometimes invents things that sound right but aren't. We call that hallucination. This is the most important thing to understand about LLMs. They're powerful precisely because language carries so much structure. Grammar, logic, examples, explanations are all baked into how we write. A model that completes language well looks like it's thinking. But it's pattern completion at scale. Knowing this changes how you use them. You don't ask an LLM for facts you can't verify. You use it for structure, drafting, synthesis, things where patterns matter more than precision. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.